ago my audio was off, and I didn't know that I've been talking to myself this whole time. So I'm so sorry for all that. So we're gonna be compiling and curses, I mean, like busy boss need like and curses to go and make many config. So like you'll be asking like, why not use tiny boss? Well, tiny boss is actually not compatible for like my system, so that's why I don't use tiny boss. And then the only thing that tiny boss have like just only basic utils like hash, sh, or maybe toy boss. I don't mean tiny boss, I mean toy boss for sure. So what we doing again? You asking? So we are gonna make a tiny Linux distro that work on a virtual machine. So this is only for non-production release, not real. So this is only for virtual machines. So I guess we're gonna just use tiny boss. No, I mean toy boss on our PC boss. Git clone https github.com/dunley toy boss. So cd toy boss and make menu config. Oh no, really? What about make help? What about make any config? Nope. So we're gonna write our own in the system. That's pretty obvious, right? So we're gonna use our Linux UTF store. So we're gonna get into our website. We're gonna get into a website and then go to releases and then use any release. So we're gonna use 2.1 because it's actually updated. So get the link here, WPSS store, wget, and then paste it. Maybe I'm actually wrong about it. So cp downloads ss store dot ss dot tor. Okay, so ss and then cd etc and then init.d. So we're gonna make something like a BSD base in the system. So we're not gonna need init.d. We're gonna remove IS. So we IC. So we are gonna use like mount proc /proc mount this fss this mount def tmp fs/def mouse t and tpm tmp and tmp. So we're gonna like do if you want like login screen or something, so we have to use /users, maybe the slash means login or maybe something. So let's just do slash means slash why not do it? So slash is profile and then slash means slash page. So the user, it will like login is not root, it's the getty user. So we're gonna like init tab. So if you want like services, you can make your own services. So we all good here. So we are good here. So cd linux dash u.6. So make ISO make ft dash ft aux f I mean like any parameters.img and the ft init od the dot slash init.img. So we're gonna install syslin. So sudo image dash q syslinux. If you're on watching like Ubuntu or something, so what you could do sudo image sudo apt install syslinux. Or if you're on like Orange based distro, you could use sudo pacman as syslinux. But then once we're done, we will move on. And then as you can see, my computer is going to broke. Yeah, the combat is compiling. Just kidding, bro. Just kidding. Don't believe any rumors that like lollipops. So talking about Linux, well, this was made on 26 May 9. Maybe the date is wrong, or am I? So 2.1 and 2.1, I've got a UEFI bootable support ISO. So by UEFI and legacy BIOS bootable support ISO, I mean only VM. Okay, so it has only 57 megabytes because of the suit, because of the like rootfs dot slash fs dot img ft init dot slash fs dot img. So it's gonna make a like gen ISO image. So image just search gen ISO image. Okay, so image just q gen. Wait a second. Gen image. I gonna know how to make a gen. How to install gen ISO image. How to install gen ISO image on gen 2 Linux. Is the Wi-Fi even good? I hope so. Wait a second, maybe I enable VPN or yeah. So we got the install CDR kit. Sudo image the Q CDR kit. There's no CDR kit. What about gen ISO image? What about gen image? What's that? You know what? We will just use the OH as it is the boot PC image dot slash. And then we're gonna make a file. So we're gonna use dd util if slash step slash 0 of boot dot img ps 1 megabyte count 1 gigabyte. So it's already fast, and then we're gonna make a fat file system on boot.img. So mount boot.img slash mnt. Oh, I need sudo slash mnt. That is nothing, just sudo cbpz image fs ls.img slash md slash sudo sync sudo mount slash md, and we're gonna install syslinux. So syslinux boot.img. So we can run it now. Slash maybe boot.img, no flanks, then sudo slash busy image dash init or d init ram fs.img. So it's a really like kernel. So here, oh whoa, I have an idea. So we're gonna use spin slash bcboss slash environments. So we can use sfs dot fs and cbm the bcboss ash. So ash. Alright, we're gonna work in terminal here. So we are gonna mount the sudo boot.img slash md and sudo cp img slash md sudo mount slash md. So we're gonna run the virtual machine VM again. Slash busy image dash init od slash init.img. Why doesn't it? Oh, I get it. cdfs. No, cd init. Don't know why. So we're gonna recompile the entire Linux kernel. Let me search how to add custom init directory in Linux menu configuration. So we're gonna go to a general and a default init path. So a string value, a similar value must be like slash ash, right? Why isn't it working? Maybe Google just hate. Alright, so I think that will work. That doesn't explain how to add custom init directory in ancestors many config. Make many config. So just only in Linux kernel. I didn't mean that. So I guess just only ash, maybe. I hope it works. There might be some errors. So error, yes, error. We gotta do the config again. For config, I guess. I mean, like there are some others like host name like let's even use something like this. So about this, what about just only ash? So cd sudo mount slash def no I mean like mount boot.img slash mnt sudo cbpc image slash mnt sync sudo mount slash mnt. So we gonna run VM machine. Oh, a VM machine. But I gotta find the one again. Okay, so slash busy image dash init init manifest.img. I guess yeah, maybe it's a error state. So it might be some days. Wait. I have an idea. So whenever in any script and then slash gonna do maybe like b slash bc boss slash sh, maybe like just only ash chmod dash s init. Okay, so fine cpl.o dash new slash init img qemu dash kernel bc image dash init edit members.img. I hope it works. What is that again? I mean like yeah. CD Linux 3.5 0.6. Maybe just only did a default, nothing there. Alright, so we got it here. Then cp dot slash. Alright. Loading. Wait a second. There might be something, I guess. So by the way, that the video is going to end here. So you guys check out my Linux distro here. Then if you want your Obi-Wan release, you could install it on a real USB right now. Well, it actually make it more heavier than be lightweight. So actually, some NVMe devices are not that supported, not that much. But I hope you all enjoy this video. So thank you.